Okay, so there are two kinds of constructs. One is what we call as the reflective construct, and the indicators are called as the reflective indicator or the effect indicators. Okay, now what does this mean? It means that all these indicators, y1, y2, y3, y4, they are reflection of the latent construct eta here. This latent construct, right? So this is the latent construct. Let's call this as factor f, and its reflection is being seen through observed items. So this in our terminology we will call this as the latent, and these are called as observed. Okay, observed. Right. So uh, this is a latent, and its reflection is seen on these items, and all four of these, because they are being caused by the same latent construct, they are going to covary, because obviously they have a common source. Okay, so there is a common source here, right, which is this latent construct. So if this latent construct f increases, y1 is also going to increase, y2 is also going to increase, y3 is also going to increase, y4, because this increase is going to cause all y1, y2, y3, y4, and therefore these items are going to be correlated to each other. So y1, y2, y3, y4, they are going to be correlated to each other, and hence the issue of reliability makes sense, right? So we measure reliability whether the items co-vary with each other, right, for reflective indicators or reflective constructs. Also, because there are these four items which are all co-varying. Let's say if I were to drop this item, right? I were to drop this item, then it is possible to drop these items and retain only y1, y2 and y3, but drop y4. Okay, so this This is possible in a reflective construct, in reflective indicators. For example, you have the latent construct intelligence or engagement or leadership, and uh, you have multiple items to measure these latent constructs. You can drop some of those items and retain some of those items, because the reflection of this latent construct is falling on all the four items, and hence it is possible. And what is the equation? The equation is yi. So y1 is lambda 1 1, lambda 1 1, lambda I1, that means lambda 1 1 times neta 1, which is factor, plus ei, right? So this what is this equation? So this equation is, if I draw this, okay, and if I am drawing a latent factor, and this is a diagram we are going to use a lot in our confirmatory and factor analysis kind of things, and I have these items, right, and I have this kind of, right, so this is my E1, E2 and E3. This is what the terminology is: Y1, Y2, Y3, and this is lambda 1 1, lambda 2 1, and this is lambda 3 1, and this is some latent factor F. Okay, so always remember that in psychometrics, in our analysis, in our studies, we will always draw latent with circles or ovals, okay, and observed are drawn using rectangles or squares. So what will be the equation of my item? Y1 is equal to lambda 11 times f plus e of 1. So this is called as loading of item 1 on factor f. This is called as measurement, what I just explained in our previous discussion, measurement error associated with item 1, right? Similarly, what will be the equation for item 2? It will be y2 is equal to the loading of item 2 on factor, loading times factor f plus error associated with item 2, and y3 is going to be lambda 3 1 times, right? So these are, remember, these are equations for effect indicators. Right? So, and what are our effect? These are our, all these y1, y2, y3 is, what is our observed variable? Observed variable is the item that is going to be there in your survey. Remember this f is not there in survey. It is not there in the survey. It is going to be measured. So remember, latent causes observed, okay, and latent is estimated using observed items. So in your surveys, actually, what are these observed? These are the, let's say your scale for factor F, let's say engagement has 3 items. So y1, y2, y3 are 3 items on which people are going to respond, and they will be called as observed items, and the latent factor is your engagement, right? And always remember that reliability testing is done only for reflective constructs. Is that okay? So we do not test reliability for the other uh, kind of construct. Okay, so this is what it is.